guys, Priscilla Ono here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set your makeup in place with our Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So my model Kiara is already Fenty face prepped, and we use Pro Filt'R foundation in the color 440, and then we use Pro Filt'R concealer in the shade 440 as well. Now I'm going to go in with our little precision sponge duo, and I'm going to take the pointier sponge, and I'm just going to make sure that all those little lines that sometimes settle with concealer get buffed out. Now I'm going to take our setting powder in the color Honey, which is more of a brightening shade. I like to just flip it upside down and kind of get some of that loose powder in the cap. And I'm going to take the other duo that has the more velvety end. I'm going to dip straight into my powder. Just going to dab underneath her eyes. And I'm going to press it into the skin to where it melts right in. Now I'm going to go in with the color Nutmeg. And this color is the perfect setting powder color for all over the face. We're going to take the brush, dip into the powder, and then we're going to tap off the excess. And then I'm going to fluff all over her face. And again, this powder is just melting right into the skin, never looking dusty, never looking powdery. It was super important for Rihanna to also find a setting powder that has zero flashback. So you can be rest assured that your selfies are always going to be cute. Now I'm gonna go back in with Honey, and I'm gonna do a little bit of contour definition, and I'm gonna take the precision sponge, but I'm gonna take this more flatter end, which is gonna work so good at carving out the cheekbones so they can really pop. I'm gonna underline her cheekbones, and it's gonna give this really nice reverse contour effect. I like to take the velvety end of the sponge again. I just tap right into the skin. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Fenty Beauty, and thanks for watching.